Bananas are sure good eating. If you're losing health, find some bananas for energy.
Ah, that's better.
Hey, Turk!
See this here butterfly? If you get into trouble and lose all your health, you can return to the last butterfly you passed and start again.
Hey! Hey! Ow! Ah, that's better.
Hey, Turk!
Hey, buddy! Watch the chameleons. They got some nifty climbing techniques. Go for it. Give it a try.
Yeah! Ah, that's better.
Hey, Turk!
T is for Turk, but this game is really about you. So find a Tarzann and get a bonus item. I still think Tarzan's a weird name.
Got it!
Hey, Turk!
Psst, Tarzan, try throwing fruit at those mean old baboons. Bop 'em good, and they are history.
Ah, that's better. Got it! Ah, that's better.
Hey, Turk!
Whoa, Tarzan! Look at all that cool stuff up in this tree. Try climbing up. You should have no problem.
This is gonna be useful. Yeah, got it!
Hey, Turk!
Hiya, Tarzan. This thing here is a sketch. There are 4 of them hidden in each level. If you find all 4, you gotta go explore a hidden bonus level.
Ah, that's better. Ah, that's better. Yeah! Ow! 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 Got it! Ow! Yippee! Woohoo! Yaha!